Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, ma'am.
Can
Let
you
me
hear
make
me
you co-host. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Someone has come, Shivan Gupta.
Yeah, ma'am, we will enter just after 2 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So, hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So, kids, you all will be on mute, but then during the demo session, Anandita ma'am may unmute you, okay? And but then in your regular classes, you will be unmuted, okay? But then since this is a demo session, you all will be on mute. And the flow of this session would be like, first of all, there would be an introduction by your mentor, Anandita ma'am. Then Rajan sir would be taking you through a presentation wherein he would be explaining you about the details of this course. After that, I will be showing you the platform. Basically, I'll be taking you through the tour of the platform, Olympiad Success platform, wherein you can, understand how to access the material once you enroll for this class. And after that, after the tour, we would be starting with the question and answer round. So if you have any doubts, you can write it down in the chat section and we will be happy to answer your queries. And after the question and answer session, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here, right? Right. So we have had enough chat on coding also, right? So we've got many answers. Yes, Vaishnavi, you can write down your doubt in the chat section. Okay. And meanwhile, I would like Anandita ma'am to introduce herself. So she has been teaching with us for quite a long time now. So Anandita ma'am, why don't you introduce yourself to the kids?
Yeah,
And yeah.
thank you so much. And first of all, how are you guys? Great, thumbs up. I can't see a few of you guys. Please on your camera, please on your camera. I can't see you. I don't know you're good or bad. Okay, Vaishnavi is good, Navneet is good. Others, thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, good, good, good. Good. There you go. Someone is sending me hearts and all also. Good. Okay, they all are excited. So are you guys excited for your coding class? Are you guys excited for your coding class? Okay. So my name is Anandita and I have teaching experience of 3 years along with offline as well as online. And there are few students who have already learned from me. So I teach coding, I teach maths, I teach science. So in coding, okay, tell me, what do you like in coding? What is coding according to you guys? What is coding according to you guys? Chat. You can send messages in the chat. No idea, no idea. Okay, I'll be telling you. Don't worry about it. I'll be telling you. So, and I'll be teaching you coding for the entire 2 levels, and we are gonna have so much of joy, and we are gonna chit chat a lot. We're gonna make projects, so you will be excited. Are you guys excited? Who and all are excited for coding? Okay, great. So I will be taking your coding class. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. So over to you, Rajan sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful introduction. So,
Thank you.
students, let me share my screen. Is it visible, students?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you for confirming. So firstly, welcome to the demo of Scratching program. Okay, so let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. We have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. We have School Plus program. In School Plus program students, we offer 8 courses. That is mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, both Vedic maths and also coding. What else we offer? We offer online CBSE classes for grades 6 to 12, one-on-one preparation classes for mathematics, International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, that is Singapore and Asian Maths Olympiad, CMO, Hong Kong International Mathematics Olympiad, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, ERMO, and also for JEE main preparation classes. So meet our rank holder for session 2021. We got 40 plus international rank 1, 70 plus top 5 international rank, and 120 plus top 10 international rank. For session 21-22, we are compiling the result and we will release soon. So these are rank holder of Olympiad Success. Now about the Scratch programming classes. So what we offer in programming, in coding, we offer Scratch programming for grade 3 to 5, Python programming for grade 7 to 10, web designing using HTML, CSS, JavaScript for grade 6 to 10, and also Android development for mobile apps for grade 7 to 10. How coding help you students? So coding is an important as any other subject which you study. Why? It helps students to communicate more effectively, build up confidence, enhance creativity, increase problem solving skills, and many more. Now, this is the detailed view of the syllabus, what you will learn in this course. What you will learn about game development. In game development, you will learn introduction to programming, basic of Scratch, math concept, timer, looping, repeat blocks, project presentation, everything. And the other part is app development, in which you will learn explaining the problem statement, drawing their own script, events block, head block, math concept, counter board, and many more. Okay, students? Now about this coding session. So there will be 15 students in the class and we will conduct the classes on Zoom platform. So the classes will be 2 sessions per week. Days will be Monday and Wednesday. Timing is 8 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. So the duration of class will be 75 minutes and we will give 5 minutes break in between. So number of sessions in this course will be 40. The syllabus link I will share in the chat box. The course fee for this course is, the fees is 9,910. The course will include online classes, project work, and we will also give you exercise that to be done at home. Payment link I will share in the chat box. To join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone so that you can listen clearly. The classes, live classes for this batch will start from 20th April, and currently we have students from 3,800 schools and we are catering in 35 plus country students. So this is about this course. Now over to you, Aarti ma'am. After that, we will do the question answer.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a detailed presentation about this course. I hope the kids would have understood almost everything, right? And the remaining things we would be asking them as questions.
Yes, correct, ma'am.
Okay. So now, kids, what I'm doing is I will be taking you through the platform. So what you need to do is you have to type in this link, olympiadsuccess.com/login, and then you have to enter your username and password. And then you would be redirected to your dashboard. The important thing over here is live classes. Okay, since you are now enrolling to the Scratch programming course, so you have to under the subjects list you can see 8 subjects, because I have subscribed to all the 8 subjects. But then since you would be subscribing to Scratch programming, you can see Scratch programming under the subjects list. And apart from that, in case if you have subscribed to any other subject, that subject would be coming under this list. Okay, so now as soon as you select the subject as Scratch programming, the topics would be listed over here. Okay, so let's say I would want to see the content for operator block. So what I'll do is, the reading materials are available over here. You have to click on the reading material, and here the reading material of this particular topic will be displayed. And similarly, kids, for all the topics, the reading material would be displayed. So let's say if I would want to see for sharing, so sharing reading material would be available here. Okay, so these are available in the form of PDFs. And the next thing which you have to do is you have to check your schedule. So we have a very detailed schedule given over here. It is a session wise schedule. So it's quite structured, and we would be, like in this syllabus, in this schedule, we have mentioned like in which session, what topic we would be taking. Okay, so quite detailed schedule we have done. And then we have the holiday calendar. Okay, so these would be the days on which your classes will not be conducted. So just keep a note. And yes, that's it, kids. So now I'll stop my screen share, and if you have any doubts, you can write it down in the chat section. uh, Arisha, she's saying me I can't see your screen, so I just stopped my screen sharing. And earlier it would have been visible. In case if you did not see, what I would recommend you is you just go to our Facebook group where we are live right now. So there you can watch the demo again. Okay, Vaishnavi, yes, please beta write it down in the chat section and we would be happy to answer. Okay.
I'm in grade 5. Okay, okay, Shani, yes, this course is for grade 3 to 5. So you can keep it. Uh, Ma'am, I think we have one question for Veer. Is the class costly?
So kids, like you should understand that we would be the cheapest one in terms of like the coding classes which we are providing. But if you like check the market rates and everything, those would be quite expensive, right? And the quality of your mentor and the content which we would be providing you is really excellent, that I would say. And yes, absolutely. Like these are not costly at all, and these are group classes. Okay, so if you go for one-to-one classes, I do agree that one-to-one classes become expensive, but then these are group classes, and we have tried to make the pricing as less as possible. Okay.
Yes, Vaishnavi, you can write in the chat box.
Maybe I'll just unmute Vaishnavi. Ma'am, what link we have to type the username and the password? Okay, what I'll do is I'll just share the link with you, olympiadsuccess.com/login. But then if you are not registered on Olympiad Success, you need to do that. And once you enroll to this program, you would be able to access the content. Otherwise, you won't be able to do that. Okay. I'll just unmute Vaishnavi. Yeah, Vaishnavi, you go ahead. You have been writing in chat since a long time that you have a doubt.
Miss, I have doubt. You have sent a link. You have sent a link. In which link? You have sent a link now, but when you are typing password, what is the password?
Beta, so this would be specific to the user. Okay, so that is my username and password which I cannot share with you. Okay, so like what you have to do is I've shared the link. What you can do is you can register on Olympiad Success, but then if you enroll classes, then only you would be able to see the content. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so she's saying there is one more doubt. Yes, Vaishnavi, go ahead.
Miss, another doubt is that can you help me to register because I don't know how to do that, and this thing I'm doing first time.
Okay, that's
And
really nice, Vaishnavi. But what I'll suggest you is, beta, maybe you can take help of your parent. If there is someone like your mom or dad, okay, I'll share the registration link. So here you just have to, so the email you need to ask from your parent, like what would be the email which you need to register. And in case if you would want to enroll for these classes, you would be able to do that. what I would suggest is, like, we have our payment link. Okay. So I'm sharing the payment link in the chat section. So you can, make the payment here, and then you would be automatically registered on Olympiad Success.
Ma'am, we have one question.
Any
My
other
summer
question,
vacation.
Rajan?
Yeah, we have one question. My summer vacation started yesterday. I'm going to 5th in June 2022. So I think he's asking, can he join the course or not? Yes, so Arisha, you can join. Okay, you can join the course as it is for standard 3 to 5. Okay, so you can join. Okay, Vaishnavi, no problem. We will help you. Okay, once you register for this course, someone from our team will help you for this login ID password. Any other questions, students?
I'm
Can
so
you
sorry, kids.
unmute
I
me?
had a network glitch. Yeah, Rajan sir, you can go ahead. I
Yes, ma'am.
just
I
missed
think,
that. Yeah.
yeah, I think Joanna asking, can you unmute me, please? I have a doubt. Okay. Yes, you can speak now.
Ma'am, and what is the fees payment like? Group classes will be expensive or one-on-one will be?
All right, Joanne. So to your question, of course, group classes are, cheaper than the one-to-one classes. Okay. So if you go for one-to-one classes, but then like what at Olympiad Success, we do believe in group classes. The reason being, what you learn through your peers is really important. So, like in group, there are frequent questions being asked, right? And you get to understand from what your batchmates are doing, right? What they are asking. And so this is quite competitive, and you learn and grow together. Okay. So we do suggest you to take up the group classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other
Well,
questions, students?
yeah, Rajan said, then we can begin with the demo otherwise,
Yes,
right?
sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. So I think we can begin with the demo, and if anyone have any question, we can take in the end. Okay, over to you, Ananthi, ma'am. I think we can start.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. So are you guys ready for your demo? Are you guys ready for your demo? Okay, okay. So let me share my screen and tell me, can you see my screen? Can you guys see my
Yes,
screen?
yes, ma'am. It
Okay,
is visible.
okay, thank you, sir. Yay. So what are we going to learn today? Any idea? Oh, it's already there on the screen. Oh, I should have asked this before though. Okay, so what are we going to learn? What are we going to learn anyways? What is Scratch? It's already there on your screen, Scratch. But what is it? Chat box, chat box. No, 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 chat box. Everyone is gonna answer in the chat box. What are we like? What is Scratch now? What is Scratch? What is Scratch? Any idea? I can't see most of you guys. I can't talk to you guys then. Aditi, Jarna, Garima, Sanvi, Arisha. Can you please switch on your webcams? Writing commands, good. Coding platform, okay. App, okay. Okay. Anything else? Now my question is, what is coding platform? There is block coding, good one. My webcam is on. Arish, I can't see you. Okay, I guess there is some glitch. No problem. So Scratch is basically, okay, who and all play games? Do you guys play games? Everyone play games. I knew that. Everyone play. Okay, which one do you play? Which one do you play? Which game do you play? Don't tell me Roblox and Minecraft. That is very famous. Tell me something else. Other than Roblox and Minecraft, which game do you play? I don't play. Who? Vaishnavi don't play. Okay. Shivin also don't play. Minecraft. Tower Run. Okay, okay. No problem. Sandwich Run. Okay. I don't play. Aditi also don't play. Okay, okay. Who don't play games? Do you watch cartoons? Do you watch cartoons? Yay. Cartoons everyone watch. Which cartoon do you watch now? Pokemon, Shinchan, Doraemon, Little Singham. Okay. Augie and the cockroaches. Good. So now you know these things. You know what are games. You know what are cartoons. What if we'll create our own game? What if we'll create our own cartoon? Can we do that? Any idea? Can we do that? Can we do that? Can we create our own games? No, Navneet? Yes, we can. Yes, we can create our own games. We can create our own cartoon characters, on animation, stories, everything, right? So Scratch is a platform. Someone told me it's a coding platform. Yes, it is a coding platform. But what is coding? No one told me what is coding. Everyone knows that coding, we can create games and all, but what is coding? What is coding? What is coding? No answers. First. Where we can launch apps and cartoons. No, we cannot launch it. We can create it. By coding, we can create it. Programming language. Okay, but what is programming language now? Okay, don't get confused. Don't get confused. So now, I'm giving, we both are talking, right? We both are talking in English. You guys know English, I know English. We both are talking, correct? Yes. Now, if I tell you to talk with your computer, will you be able to talk with your computer? We know Siri Alexa. We can talk with Siri Alexa. I'm not telling that. Siri Alexa is also built from coding and all. Okay, but now your system is in front of you and you say hello to it. Will you, like, will your system will be giving you reply back? Yes or no? No, right? So for the systems, for all the computers and all, we need to give commands. We want them to talk, and that is up to you how you want them to talk. Did you guys understand? Did you guys understand? So coding is basically giving commands to the computer so that we want them, like, let the computer do whatever we want it to do. Any doubt? Any doubt? Everyone is clear with coding? Everyone is clear with coding? What is coding? Coding is giving commands to the computer so that we can like let it do any task for us. Got it? Yes? Okay, good. Now this COVID situation is there, like it's going to be end, but it's still there. So during the COVID situation, we used to wear masks, we used to wash our hands, we used to keep social distancing, right? But who told you to do that? I want the answers in the chat box. Who told you to do that? Don't tell coronavirus told you to do that. Who told you to do that? No answers, no answer. DR. Oh, doctor. Okay, sorry. Government. Okay. Did the government come to your home and told you to do that? No. So basically, your mom, parents, doctor, governments, everyone told that you have to wear masks, you have to wash your hands, you have to keep social distancing. These are the instructions given to you for that COVID period. Correct? So those were the instructions given to you to follow these rules. Now, so what is programming? Programming is same what I told. Arish, it was a deadly disease. Okay. So programming is what? Giving instructions to the computer. Everyone understood this? What is programming? Giving instructions or commands to the computer so that you can make your computer do whatever task you want it to do. Any doubt? No? Okay. Now I have a video for you guys. Just give me a minute. One second. Oops, just a second. It's not getting played. I stopped sharing my screen. 1 second. Okay. Oops. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen again for you guys. And tell me if you can hear it or not. I share the sound. Can you hear it? No, I didn't play it. But okay, this is a video for Scratch. How was it? How was it? In the chat box. I want everyone's answer. I want everyone's answer. How was it? How was it? Woohoo! Okay. I'm so amazed. Nice. Wow, it was superb. Oh, okay. Everyone liked it, I guess. Did you guys liked it? Yeah? Good. So as we saw that in this video, we saw there were games, there were animation, there were all the characters flying here and there, right? And they were like coding. I won't tell you which type of coding, but there was coding, right? Correct? So now let's see what fun can we see how to make the games. Yes, we are gonna see how to make it, but in the upcoming classes. But today I'll be telling you how the platform looks like and what type of games we can make over here. Not only games, we can create apps, we can create what you call it as the stories, animations, games. You can create so many things. Got it? Any doubt? No? Okay. So now what is Scratch programming? You guys have seen the video. Now what is Scratch programming? We know coding, we know Scratch. Now what is Scratch programming? Just tell me which type of coding it is. How did we do that? You can take help from this part, this animation what we have, and tell me which type of coding it is. Are we typing over here, or is it like puzzle or block joining? How? Good, it's block based. How it is? It's like a puzzle. We call it as a block coding. It's like a puzzle. You have to join one block to another block in a logical manner. You cannot just join random blocks. Got it? So when I want, who and all played puzzle? Did you guys play puzzle? So to join two blocks, there should be a manner to join it, right? That cutout piece should join to other cutout piece. Correct? So there was a logic to join those blocks. So the same logic we have to do over here. Here also, it should be in a logical manner. We are going to learn how it is going to be a logical manner. Don't worry about it. Don't get tense. Just understand it's a puzzle game. But remember that it's a block-based coding. It's a block. We are joining one block to another. Got it? Can you see over here? We have joined one block to another. Yes? Okay, good. Now, what is Scratch programming? We already learned it. Okay. So now this guy was there in the video also. Did you guys notice? No, or the video was too fast. Oh, okay. You have noticed. Okay. So this guy was there. So we can you see this character is basically we have drawn in Scratch. So you can even draw in Scratch. Okay, you can make your own Disneyland or fairy tale characters, whatever you want. You can draw anything in Scratch. Okay, you can make your own characters. You want to make fun of any other character, you can do that also, as the cat was wearing the helmet and all in the video. Do you guys remember that? Yes. So you can do anything with the Scratch and make the project too interesting. Okay, so now, so here there will be like two levels. Got it? So first level, we're gonna make projects like maze game. Do you guys know what is maze? Do you guys know what is a maze? Yes, Navneet knows, John knows, Shivane knows, Aditi. Okay, most of you guys know maze. So we can make maze game. So okay, 1 minute. Can you tell me there is a game which is similar to the maze one? It starts with P. I won't tell you properly. It starts with P. Think. Okay, it ended with man. Oh, good job, Karthik. It's a Pac-Man. You remember it's also kind of maze where we have that all the characters and all. Yeah. So we can create that. We have a Pac-Man project also. Okay, you can create this maze game related to Pac-Man. Got it? So now how we are going to learn that maze game. So what and all things, first of all, you're going to learn. You're going to learn about how to create project in the level 1. Okay, so level 1 is basically you are going to start with all the programming things and all. So you're going to learn how to make projects. What are the basics of the Scratch? How you can create your own account where all your projects, like whatever projects you can add thousands of projects in that. Okay, so you have to make an account. I'll tell you how to make that account, and we're going to create all the projects in that and keep it. You can play it anytime you want, and then we're going to learn about the programming concepts like conditional statement, variables, loops. These are the new words for you, but don't worry, I'll be telling you all these one by one in the upcoming classes. Got it? Okay. So, okay, Karthik, don't worry, we can continue in the same account what you have. Okay, now for the maze game also, I will share it, don't worry. Arisha, I will share in the end, don't worry. Okay, so now for the maze game also, we have so many concepts, right? Someone told me they like Augie and the cockroaches. So we can get the Augie and we can get the cockroach. They have to catch each other. That also we can create a maze game. We can create Doraemon and Nobita maze game. We can create a cat and what was that? Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry one we can also create. So there are so many concepts we can create, right? So I want everyone to create a different concepts of maze game. Okay, I don't want everyone like any same concept. You all are so creative, right? Use all the creativity you have. Let's make our own characters, like make fun of our Tom and Jerry and make our own characters. Let them wear specs, let them wear some fancy dress, and we can create our own characters. Okay, are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, so now how your Scratch gonna look like? Yeah, so your Scratch, this is the platform how your Scratch, when you open the Scratch after creating login and everything, this is the page which is gonna come on your screen. Here we have done the coding for the maze game, but when you create when you open a new project, this will be the entirely white area. Got it? Which we call it as stage area. So stage area is basically where you can see how you are creating, how your end product is going to look like. So you have the black walls, you have this insect over there, the crab, sorry, and you have this Arjun, you can put it in the chat box, whatever doubt you have. Okay. So we have this insect. So you can like basically see how your final game is going to look on this stage area. Got it? And then you have the sprite list. So from here, so what are sprites first of all? Sprites are basically the characters. In Scratch, we call it as sprites. Okay, sprites are basically the characters. So here you can see you have a beetle as a sprite and a crab as a sprite. So these are basically the characters you have used in your project. So you can choose so many projects. I'll show you. I'll show you guys how your Scratch platform is gonna look like. Okay, and then how to put a backdrop. We have another option to put a backdrop. Got it? I made it. Okay. So this first one is for the backdrop. This cat face is for the sprite. Understood? Okay. So this center area is the code area where we do the coding, where we join one block to another to do the coding. Okay. Left side, we have the code blocks. Left side, we have the code blocks from where you're going to take the code blocks. Get it? Okay. So you guys are like kind of clear with how the platform looks like? Kind of clear with? Okay, good. No, chalo. And in the level 2, So in the level one, we're going to learn all the basics, how to create basic projects, animations and all, maze game and all. Level 2 is your advanced level. So in level 2, we're going to make video sensing games. We're going to make projects like Siri Alexa. Okay, we're going to make a chatbot where we can talk with the chatbot what we have. Okay, we can make our own calculator app. So there are so many projects we can create in advanced level. That is our level 2. So do you guys know this Fruit Ninja game? Do you guys know this Fruit Ninja? Okay, only Navneet knows it. No, I'll show you. Okay, remind me. I'll show you this game. Okay. So, and I'll show you the Scratch platform along with the Fruit Ninja game. Okay, Karthik also knows it. Okay. So in level 2, as I told, the level is gonna increase cutting fruits. Good job, Navneet. But in level 2, we're gonna make Fruit Ninja where you have to use your own face to cut it, face or hands to cut it like this. Okay, so gonna make your own. Yeah, you can even use your nose to cut the fruit. So it's totally up to you how you wanna play that. Okay. Yeah, so in level 2, basically, the level is gonna increase. You're gonna learn more about the programming concepts. We'll be having the presentation. For example, you made a project by your own and you're gonna show it to your friends, right? So you'll be so excited to show it to your friends what a new project you have. So that's how your presentation skill is gonna increase. Got it? So all these things we're gonna do in the level 2, and it's the same platform where we're gonna make the advanced level also. The coding is different. Obviously, the project is different, so the coding will be different. But you have the stage area on the right side. You have the sprite from where you can choose the sprite. You have the backdrop from where you can choose the backdrop. You have the code blocks on the left side. And then you have the code areas or the script area at the center. Clear? Clear? I'll be asking you quiz. Don't worry. Focus in the class and listen. I'll be asking you quiz in the end. How the page looks like. Fine? Okay. Now, let's discuss what is, now you guys understood, you were showing me thumbs ups and all. Tell me what is programming language now, computer programming. Okay, which type of coding we have in the Scratch? This is easy question. Which type of coding we have in Scratch? Good, good. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arisha, no. Maze is a project. Coding is block coding. We are joining one block to another, right? Got it? Okay. Now, next question is, on which side of the Scratch program we had the code blocks? Left or right? Left or right? Good, Navneet. Good, Aditi. Good, Arjun. Good, Jana. Good, Vaishnavi. Good, Shiven. Good, Ayush. Good job. Very good. So you guys have understood it. Good. Now let me show you one Scratch like how the Scratch looks like in the starting for the last time. I mean, the last part of it. Okay, I'll share my screen again. Yeah, can you see my screen? So when you search Scratch MIT Edu, you guys want this link, right? So I'll send it to you. Okay. This is the link which we have for the Scratch. When you click on it, you have to create your own project. I mean, sorry, the ID. Okay. And then when you go to create, this is how it's loading. Okay. This is how this cat is very naughty. Very, very naughty. Whenever you open a new project, this cat comes off. Okay. So if you want to keep it for your project, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can delete it. Just click on this dustbin. Now to get a new sprite, choose a sprite. Can you see so many sprites we have? Okay. And then choose a backdrop, click here. Got it? Chalo. So did you guys understood it? Did you guys understood how the Scratch is going to look like? Did you guys enjoyed the demo? Yes? No, I can't see any answer. Oh, you guys have enjoyed. Okay, okay. So we're gonna make so many projects and let's see how we can make our scratch projects more creative. Oh, yes, I have to show Fruit Ninja. I need to search for it. 1 second. Just give me a minute. Uh, uh, uh. There are so many projects. One second. It's not working because my camera is on in the Zoom, so it will not work here. So I'll show you, don't worry. You will be coming to the classes, right? In the first class only, I'll be showing you the Fruit Ninja game, okay? Here, like my camera is on in the Zoom, so that's why I can't on it over there. Okay, chalo. So thank you so much and over to you, Rajan sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the wonderful session, ma'am. So students, let us know in the chat box. Do you like the session? Okay, 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 okay. Yes, got it. So yes, Arjun, you have any doubt? You raised your hand. Please write in the chat box. Best class ever in the whole world. Okay. How to log in? Okay, I'll let you know. Miss Sanding. Okay, I will share again.
I
How
sent
can
sir.
we
I sent
make
sir.
a blog? Yes, ma'am. We have one question. Arjun is asking, ma'am, how can we make our own blog?
We do have an option to make our own blogs. I'll be telling you how you can make your own blogs. For example, we don't have a blog called as Jump. So you can make a blog by your like a blog named Jump and you have to define it and all. Okay, there is a like process to do it. So don't worry, we'll go step by step. We're going to learn it. I'll be telling you how to make it. Okay.
Any other doubt anyone have? Yes, Vaishnavi, please ask. Yes, you can write in the chat box. Okay. Yes, Vaishnavi, I have unmute you. You can ask. You tell me.
Miss, I want a doubt for you that when you have teaching, you said I will send the link of that.
I've sent the link of the scratch. I've sent the third time again. You can check it in the chat box.
Okay, so students,
So you're on mute.
I'm saying in the chat box, I have shared one link. Please copy this and save somewhere. Okay. So to join this course, use this link. It will help you. Okay. So thank you, Anandita ma'am, for the wonderful session. Thank you, kids.
Thank you, sir.
Now we will meet you in the live classes, students. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.